Okay, so let's say that I find myself needing to repeat myself or to type the same text over and over again in Angel. Maybe it's feedback for a certain assignment or greetings, different course policy issues, things that I'm having to use over again. Something that might be a good fit for that would be the macros tool. So anytime I have access to the HTML editor in Angel, for instance, if I go to create a new mail message, anywhere that I have these 2 rows of buttons here, the second from the left first button there is the insert or edit macros. If I click on that, I'll see a list of all my saved macros, and I can say, like, late policy for week 2, and hit OK, and now that text has just been dropped into my text field there. So like I said, this can be used anywhere that I have access to that HTML editor. So while creating quiz questions or providing feedback for a Dropbox assignment, say, anywhere that I have access to this HTML editor, I can use that. So I might want to delete this text and replace it with something from my macros here. Now let's say there's something that I've typed and I think I might need to use it in the future. I want to preserve it. I can copy that, select it, copy it, Control-C on my PC, and I can go to the macros tool here and I can make a new macro and paste my text in there and give it a name. And I can hit save. And now in my list of macros, I've got one there. Now notice there's also, I've got my items here, and I can see my items anywhere that I am in Angel. In any course, I'll see the same list of macros. And then I also have shared items here where, let's say I think that the text that I've preserved might be of use to somebody in the future who's teaching this class or somebody else I'm team teaching with currently, and I want to make it available to them. Under my items, I could find a macro and I could choose to share that. So whoever is in one of these sections that I'm also a member of, I can drop it into there so that other people can see it in the macro editor. Pretty cool.